Hello, welcome to this video. I'm Sergio Guajardo and we're going to do a very interesting experiment, the bouncing egg. Let's start. First of all, we have to use the personal protective equipment. That is very important because it will keep us safe during the process of the experiment. We have to use gloves, lab coat of cotton, safety glasses. For now, I don't have my safety glasses, so I am using my own glasses. Also, we have to use jeans and closed shoes. Now, this is the way we have to use the personal protective equipment. Lab coat, gloves, jeans, and closed shoes. And now you ask, what are those, Sergio? Well, this is the material we are going to use to do this experiment. A topper, it should be transparent, and a plate or tray. Now, the reagents. The reagents are an egg. This reagent doesn't represent any risk, and vinegar. This can cause an eye or skin irritations. So, if it draws on you, just wash with water and that's all. Ready? Now, we are ready to do this experiment. Let's go. First, we have to put carefully the egg on the topper, and then we have to fill the topper until the level of the egg with vinegar. This reaction experiment should last approximately 2 days, but we already hate the vinegar, so it will last a little bit less. So let's do it. To fill carefully. Careful. Can you see? That is effervescence. Let's see. Look, the bubbles are on the egg. That is a chemical reaction. Now we are going to wait until the experiment has finished. Well, day and a half passed and the egg is ready. So let's see what happened. Well, as you can see, the egg is transparent. There are a lot of white solid in the walls of the topper and also in the vinegar. Can you see it? But now you ask me, why did this happen, Sergio? Why? Well, there is a simple explanation for this. First, the eggshell is of calcium carbonate and the vinegar is acetic acid. So these two reagents react to produce water, carbon dioxide, and calcium acetate. So we already saw the carbon dioxide at the beginning of the experiment in the effervescence. The calcium acetate is here, is the solid in the walls of the topper, and the wire is already there. There is the wire. Easy, right? But the tip of this experiment is the bouncing egg. So we have to see the egg bounces, right? So let's see. We have to take very carefully the egg and put on the plate. You can see the members is elastic. Look. And also the is bouncing. It's wonderful, right? We can see all the parts of the egg. There is also a little parts white. This is the rest of the eggshell. Can you see it? It's awesome. Well, that was a very interesting experiment, right? I told you, it's very funny and all in their houses can do it. So just do it, it's very funny. And also, always remember, you have to use the personal protective equipment and follow all the steps, all of them. Okay? So, goodbye.